Thank you, campsite. Nope, this is what it looks like. So, camper over there. See right there. Take a look at the cross river here. Good morning, everyone. It's the beginning of day 4. Yesterday, day 3, I got into Cross River after dark and set up, made some dinner, and ended up eating my my last mountain house, which was actually a breakfast version. It was the, I don't know, biscuits and gravy, or biscuits and sausage gravy. It was actually really good. But so walk along the Cross River here for a while, and then I'll go up and down. I don't know where I'll end up today. See how I feel. My right foot's a bit sore, but it's getting better as it's warming up, loosening up. I remember seeing in the forecast before that there's supposed to be rain today, so we'll see what happens with that. And yeah, just see how the day goes. Looking for another great day on the trail. Hopefully I don't have to do another 20. I think yesterday was a 20 something, I don't know, but we'll see. Not too many people on the trail this morning. Just cross paths with one lady going northbound. Following the Cross River here still. Only been hiking for about a half hour, so kind of slower. A lot of steep stuff, and everything around here is so moist. It's like, ooh, look at these big balls of foam collect in the river. That's natural foam, people. Kind of weird. And way down there you can see more of them. It's kind of funny. Yeah, so I've been, ooh, a little froggy. Yeah, so I've been sitting here, I looked at the map, and figured out how to read it. There's like these little dots for each mile. I don't know why I didn't pick up on that before, but yeah, I did about 21 yesterday, maybe even a little bit more with that loop that I did around Oberg Mountain, so I definitely felt it. My legs were emanating lots of heat last night. I thought about taking some ibuprofen to cool that off, but I opted not to. Try not to take too much of that stuff. I haven't taken any ibuprofen in a few weeks, so I'd rather not if I don't have to. I think today is going to be about a 16-miler day. I'll be going into Crosby Manitou State Park, and then there's a campsite that's kind of like in this area that's not part of the state park, because the state park campsites, I believe, you got to pay for. Now, I got to look into that more, because the ones in Tetegucci, that's a big park, and if I can't stay in any of those, it's either going to be a really long last day, or I don't know what's going on. So I gotta look into that more. But anyways, back to it. So this is interesting. I think the last time I was here in 2018, there was a bridge here. What? What's going on? What? Easy cross. Or maybe I'm just remembering it wrong. Easy peasy for sheezy. And nice brake spot right here. Alright. Gonna have my second breakfast. Really the first breakfast, the other is just a snack. No. Lots of cedars here. Nice. Well, I was wondering when I'd encounter the big patches of mud. Yeah. Yeah. Ew. I'm trying to go around this because, boy, that looks really wet. Jeez, those Jake brakes are loud. Jeez. I'm gonna wreck it. Nice view though. You can actually see where the sky and the lake actually meet today. Tower overlook. Yeah. Alright, well. There's the tower. Yeah, still some mud from time to time, but not too bad. My shoes are muddy, but they're mostly dry, so it's good. Ran into a couple more day hikers on the trail, but not a lot of people on the trail today. And yeah, received a good reminder from Pivot today. No beans on trail. Definitely no beans on trail. Thanks for reminding me of that. I made sure not to bring any on this trip. Although I will have to say that Indian korma the other day might as well have been beans. All right, enough of that. A little bit too much information. Anyways, ooh, and just like that, changes to more like bottomland birch forest. All right. I'm at Sugarloaf Road here, and looks like it's been 10.4 miles since the Cross River. So I'm just gonna go a couple more miles and call it for the day. It's been kind of rainy last hour or two, and yeah, I'm a little tired, but that'll set me up better for some of the campsites I want to go to. So tonight it'll be the Caribou River, and tomorrow night it'll be Eggy Lake, which I'd rather stay at than the one that was going to be 2 or 3 miles beyond it. So I think that'll set me up good. Doing that 20 miler, I think it was a 21 miler yesterday, set me up to have a couple of shorter days. So, all right, that'll be it. Peace. Sneaky. Yep, there's some road walking on the spear hiking trail, but thankfully not much. And these tracks are out of service. Thank goodness for that. A little bit of a road walk, but I think this is just a tiny one. Yeah, see, I think that was only maybe 100 yards, 100 meters, give or take. A meter, a yard meter, an ounce, a kilogram. All right, here at Dyer's Creek, we got this cool bridge here where this place has changed a lot. Used to be able to just go down the river there and get water, but I suppose down there you could. But I got 2 liters of water. I'm just not drinking it today. Keep on going. Good Lord. Why do switchbacks when we could just go straight up? Wow, good Lord. Oh, wow. That was intense. Yeah. Got a beautiful roughy lake here. I was going to take a break here, but ooh, don't step on that. Wow. Oh, it's just like a mat. Yikes. It's like walking on a waterbed. Yeah, I don't think I'll go back there. Pretty though. Oh boy. This little stand of red pines here. Looks like it could use some thinning. I don't know if it's might be ready for. Yeah, thin it up here. Yeah, that's right. Well, this is interesting. Got a bench. There's kind of a view. I don't know. There's probably a story behind this. An interesting covered bridge here. Well, let's see if it's crowded over here like it is at the other one. Hopefully this one is not as well traveled because it's further away, but we shall see. Well, looks like I looked out. There's no one here. Fire pit and lots of room back here. Well, was thinking about putting my tent right here, but yeah, look at this. You know, I'll think about it. Well, for right now, right there.